In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. So first, let's go to TikTok and then tap your profile at the bottom right, which says Me. And then tap on the menu button, which is the three dots to the top right. Go to Manage Account, the first option. And then make sure that you have either a verified email or a linked phone number. Tap on Delete Account at the bottom. And in my case, I have a verified email address. So I'll just enter the password that I have for this account. And then once you have entered your password, you could tap on Delete Account at the bottom. Tap on Delete. And once you have done that process, you don't want to log into your TikTok account for 30 days, because if you do, it will reactivate your account. So within 30 days, if you change your mind and don't want to delete your TikTok account, you just simply log in with your credentials. But if you're really set on deleting your account, just leave it there for 30 days and it will be gone. And that is how you delete your TikTok account. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.